Intratec Tec-22, putting some Federal through it. She's dirty. I've shot a few hundred rounds through it, moved it up, shot some more. Now just demonstrating how this magazine works. It's a factory branded Intratec, but it's actually made by Ramline. So, just if you know anything about these pistols or anything made by Intratec, they anything other than their open bolt old stuff from the original company is kind of a hit or miss for reliability. You know, anything 22 long rifle, anything rimfire is generally always like that, but then you have this company and it just kind of gets a little bit worse. This bolt right here, I actually swapped out the extractor, uses the same one that's in the Ruger 1022, so that's a new one that I put in there yesterday. It's a Volquartsen, the extractor in this spring, and I obviously have the factory one still in a bag with some oil on it so it doesn't corrode. But see how this one is. Just take the back part of the bolt, put it in there, close the cover, throw the mag in, cock it, take safety off, see how she goes. First round fired, and then we have a fire to eject. There's probably one actually in the pipe still. It puts another one in the pipe. So yeah, you can see there's brass in there. So what we're gonna do is let's get that one out of there, cock the hammer, send it home, try it again. Mag is not empty. Got a fire to extract. There's one in the chamber. So what happens is when it has a fire to extract like that, or sorry, eject, because it already extracted out of the pipe. So when it has a fire to eject, the next round can't go all the way into the barrel. So when you go to pull the cocking levers back, it's not actually going to take that round out of the chamber. So there's the empty brass, and if you look in there, you can still see that one. So you send the bolt home, and she's all the way in there. Put the mag back in. Mag is not empty. Another fire to eject, followed by what I would assume is one still in the pipe. Yep. Alright. Mag's empty. Chamber's clear. That's typically what you get with these. Sometimes it'll feed a whole mag, sometimes it won't. All right, here we go. Another mag through this thing. See what kinds of fun we have. Starting off with a blast. And we got one in the pipe. That one's kind of mangled. I'm not going to run that one back through. Got one in the pipe, but it didn't cock the hammer. Maybe we didn't have one in the pipe. Hold on, let me try. Having all kinds of issues. Now I got one halfway in the pipe and one just jammed in there. That magazine kind of isn't feeding right. Got another one that didn't feed. And again. So in case you don't know how this works, this is kind of hard to film. Alright, so there's hardly no feed ramp. The front of the magazine acts as the feed ramp. And then this part of the bolt, I'm going to point to it. This part of the bolt basically hits the back of the brass, shoves it in to the chamber. So if the back of the brass is down in the magazine at all, it doesn't have a chance to catch it to push it in there. Or if it's like the way that it is right now, it's just kind of in there crooked, so it's not going to work at all. So here's what we're going to do. Camera back down. Put that bolt back in there. Put it on safe. Put the mag back in. Didn't feed. You basically take the back of your hand, pull the bolt back, take the mag out, make sure it's clear. I'm gonna try it again. No go. No go. And no go. And no go. Now the mag spring's just stuck in a down position. So we're going to use the brass and we're going to push these out. Oh my gosh, it don't even come out. Now that we have about half of the ammo out, there she goes. One still in there. Kind of fire to eject. And there's the fresh one in the pipe. So if you want these kinds of problems, this is the gun for you. She's clear. I'm just gonna throw another 10 rounds in there and see what happens. Alright, see on the, come on, focus. Come on. There you go. Right in front of that projectile, you can see the little itty bitty feed ramp that's in the magazine. Has to feed that round up into the chamber. Got a little, what you would call a clusterfuck in there. Got it. Let's take that last one that was in there. See if we can get her to fire. There we go. She's empty, so see, she'll feed a mag, and then won't feed a mag, and then have a bunch of issues. It's really just, you always got to draw with what you get with this thing. But it's fun when it works. And then shitty when it doesn't. Alright, here we go. So what I did was I took the mag, put a few drops of oil onto the follower, and then loaded it back up. See what happens. So one of the other things that will help you if you have something like this, or any 22, is to use ammo that it likes. So this is Federal 38 grain, and then see how it says CPHP. So that is copper plated hollow point. And so basically that means that it's a lead projectile with copper plating over it. And what is nice about that is it actually helps it feed better, because that copper is a little bit smoother than the just plain lead would be. So when you buy bulk ammo, 22, sometimes it's just pure lead. You want to avoid that. And then obviously the 1260 feet per second is the velocity. So just lubed up the mag. I'm gonna try her again. Fed good. Got a failure too. Got us another failure to eject, and then there's new brass in the pipe. Go right back at it, and same thing. And it took the one out of the pipe, but that's fine, we'll just keep going. One still in the pipe. One still in the pipe. Mag's empty. Chamber's clear. Hit or miss. That's the other thing you gotta watch out for. The threaded barrel. The barrel thread protector will come off really easily. Alright, gonna do another mag and see what happens. maybe there is a God. I really don't know how that one worked, but she worked good.